Hello, my friends! Do you like candies? I love them. These are my favorite because they're very healthy, just made of fruits. Yeah, no sugar. And here, I have this special candy machine. Let's play a game together. Okay, the machine shows us a question. Why is she angry? Why is that girl angry? Why do you think, guys? And look at all those candies with words. I get the game. Because her friend doesn't share her toys. Because her friend doesn't share her toys. Can you see? And now they are all for me. Yeah, they go to my bucket to eat them later. One more question. Why is he sad? Why is he sad? He's sad. Let me say because he misses his mom or he wants to be with his mom. Because he misses his mom. Because he misses his mom. Yeah! That was the answer. That's great. More candies for me. And third question. Why are they happy? Why are they happy? Because I don't know. Maybe because they're playing, they're together, they're just happy. Let's choose one. Because they're playing games. Because they are, playing is there. Because they're playing games. Yeah, because they are playing games. Those candies are all for me. I'm going to eat them. I don't know when.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Okay, guys, today we are going to do the third activity about the W question word. Why? Okay. And remember, that is the question. But when we are answering, we have to use because. Okay? Because something, blah, blah, blah. So, how to do it? How to do this exercise? We have these beautiful candies with some words. And in here, we have the same candies, and we just need to connect, to fill them in with the right words. Let's do it. Where is this purple? Here. Why? And look, why is all the time the first word we use. Why? Why is he holding the, look at the pink and white candy, scissors? Why is he holding the scissors? Okay, and now because, okay, here we also have because, and here we have because he wants to cut some papers. Well done. Why is she, okay, this is for she. Why is she studying? Because she has some homework. Well done. And finally, why are they, okay, they, why are they using a keyboard? Why are they using a keyboard? Because they are creating a website. And that's it, guys. Well done. Remember, why? It's the question. Why something happens? Give me the reason. And because is the way we start providing those reasons. Goodbye.